how to record a WhatsApp video call. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to record a WhatsApp video call. First of all, open up the WhatsApp application in your phone. Once you open up the app, tap on any chat from here. Then, you need to choose the video camera option from the top corner. After that, the video will be started. Now to record this call, swipe down the control panel from the top right corner and tap on the red button to start the recording. Then, you'll be able to record your video calls. Also, check out our video on how to know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp without texting them. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one. Also, check out our video on how to know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp without texting them.